Alright, got a job here where I am taking the old asbestos shingles here and putting in some new concrete fiber ones up here. I looked around on YouTube, didn't find another video on this, so I'm going to go ahead and make one now. So, you're not supposed to remove asbestos unless you're using, like, you can dampen it down or something. I did not have to remove anything. I'm just simply replacing. I'm putting some new pieces in. I took out a window and I'm putting in new pieces. So the first thing to have to do with this is I had to start with a full course, and then the next thing I had to start with a half course. So immediately I had to cut it, and the only way I found to cut it is to use these things right here. Okay, this is from a company called Malco, and they're nippers. You can see they have a little nipping action right there, and it leaves this little crumbly stuff behind, but it allowed me to cut these things like this. I did, get a little chip here in the corner, and the next thing was to drill some holes after I cut it. I have a small little concrete drill bit here, and so I just had to mark the holes after I cut it. And what I found was that when using the nippers, it was better for me to cut on the side that had the exterior finish to it. It gave me a smoother finish here. Pretty much a really good cut. And then from there, when it comes to installing it, you can see there's a line here. So all I did was take the piece that was going to come up next, figure out where that hole was going to be, because you're really not supposed to be punching through that. So to make sure that I was clearing the piece underneath of it, I get full exposure there, and that was it. Thank you very much. Okay, and here is the finished product. The owner had left the paint around. I put some caulk in over here that I still need to paint, but I got the shingles up and they're in, and everything looks new.